Besides the avionics and the APU and the engines, we also look for smoke and fire within the lavatories. Let's start with the smoke detection. The lavatories, the toilets on board the aircraft, have smoke detection fitted into the extraction of the air going out from the ceiling of the lavatory. The smoke detection for each lavatory consists of a smoke detector in the air extraction for each lavatory, as well as a common cabin intercommunication data system, CIDS, with a smoke detection function and SDF. In case of smoke in this extraction fan from the lavatory, it will send a signal to the CIDS for the cabin crew to be aware that here is a smoke scenario, as well as transmitting the same signal via the CIDS to the flight warning computer to give us an indication in the cockpit, and this will be indicated with a single time, and on the overhead panel, on the very rear side of the overhead panel, the toilet fault smoke light will come on. Smoke is one thing, fire is another. In the lavatory, although we don't have any indications that there is a fire, we do have fire extinguishing systems built into the area underneath the paper waste basket in each lavatory. As I've indicated right here, this is underneath the little tray right here where we put waste paper tissues in. Underneath in that cabin, there is a fire extinguisher, a small portable fire extinguisher, which is mounted onto the area with its own spray ring attached and its own heat sensor and squib, which can automatically discharge in case of an overheat in that particular cabinet. Although less and less common, it has in the past been a real issue when smoking was allowed on board aircraft, that fires will start within the lavatories. And it's simply because a cigarette butt that's potentially put out, but not quite, if put into this waste bin right here for disposal, would actually start a fire because of the incredibly flammable paper tissue that's in there. A fire like that will sit and it will brew and it will grow stronger long before someone on board the aircraft can see any visible smoke, smell, or see any potential damage. Therefore, we have our own fire extinguishing or built-in fire extinguishing system within the lavatory waste area. They cannot be operated from the crew. They cannot be operated from the cockpit or otherwise. They are automatically fixed built-in systems individually for the lavatories.